ChatGPT comes to Office 365. The technology behind ChatGPT, a widely discussed AI system, is being incorporated into Microsoft 365, the world's most prevalent work software. Microsoft has named this new feature Copilot and plans to embed it into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Microsoft introduces Copilot. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella believes this integration will fundamentally change the way we work. However, the company admits that Copilot may occasionally make mistakes. Copilot Functions. Some of the key features of Copilot include summarizing key discussion points from Teams meetings and providing recaps for those who join late or miss the event entirely, creating PowerPoint presentations complete with images from prompts, drafting emails, analyzing lengthy email threads and documents, generating summaries and graphs from Excel spreadsheet data. The power of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has gained global attention for its ability to provide human-like responses to questions, even highly complex or abstract ones. However, these responses can sometimes be inaccurate or entirely fabricated. While the technology used in Office 365 is not a direct implementation of ChatGPT,